Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Cherokee National Forest up near the North Carolina-Georgia line right now. And it is, I'm actually in shorts. It's just the beginning of January, and a Happy New Year, and it's like 55 degrees. I don't know what's going on with that. Out on a 4-day trip, but today I was going to talk about tire deflators. Now you've seen me, I go out in the middle of nowhere a lot. I air down my tires. We go over a lot of rugged terrain. There's a lot of reasons to air down your tires. Obviously, if they deflate down, they get a little bit more traction area. It's also a little bit more comfortable on the longer trips. It almost acts like a shock absorber. And if you're in snow and sand, it actually just gives you more traction. So I like to air down a lot. I usually go down to like 20, maybe 18. But I used to do it with my deflator kit, actually, where I got all 4 tires and I'd roll it all out, and I'd deflate them all down, and I'd put it all away. And I found it was a huge pain. So I bought this system from Oversand, which is pretty good. We'll go through it quickly. It's very nice. It's easy to use. It's individual deflators. You pop them on, you pop them off. You set the thing, and it just goes down. What I wanted to do was actually just walk you through how to set these. And then we'll do a test. If I put it on 20 PSI, does it actually go to 20 PSI? These things are pretty accurate. Now, a quick disclaimer, I purchased this. Oversand did not send me anything. I spent about $71 on these. Now, that seems a little bit high. If you look on Amazon, there's a whole bunch of other ones out there that are a lot cheaper. I had purchased them as well, and I was like getting like 4 and 5 PSI off. So I wanted a little bit more accuracy, but hey, let's quickly take a peek at these. So if you look, this is pretty simple. It comes in a nice case. Gives you a QR code if you want to get some more information on it. But let's just open one of these up. They're very nice. Everything's laser etched, so it's not going to go anywhere. And the way these work is you've got the part that goes on the tire itself, and then you've got the output here, which is where this air comes from. But if we just open the top a little bit, and you identify what your PSI is. In this case, if I want to go all the way down to 20, which is what we're talking about here, you get it to where it goes over the 20 right here, and you line it up. So that's at 20. Now, they do come from the factory at 20, and then you go plus or minus down however you want it to go, and they've got half PSI increments here. In this case, we'll just leave it on 20. We'll tighten it back down, and it's really that simple. To get it all set up. And let's just get it perfectly on 20 and then tighten it down. So we're there. Now, when you're putting these on the tire, do it like this. Don't do it up here. Do it at the bottom, and it'll get a much better grip. Otherwise, it'll tighten and you'll loosen up a little bit. But I tell you what, let's put one of these on the tires, kick it in, and see if it goes all the way down to 20. All right, you just put these on the tires like so. And now it's off and running. See, this is putting out some. So it's going down to 20 PSI right now. All right, we've got this hooked to the upper right passenger side tire. It was at 32, now it's at 27, and it's working its way down to 20. All right, we are down to 23 and dropping, 22. Let's go see what it sounds like when it kicks off. So it is dropping down to 20, and it should kick off here in 1 second. You can hear it kind of starting to slow down. And just like that, it is off. So with that, let's go back inside the car or inside the Jeep and see if we are at 20. And that thing is dead on. At 20, it lets me know I got a low PSI right now with the TPMS. So that was right on the mark. 20 PSI exact. I wasn't off even by a PSI. I put in 20, I attached it, and it went to 20. So I love precision. It is exactly what and it's also quick. You can put these on all your tires and just knock it out real fast, and then just take them off, and you're on your way. Pulling out all the hoses and everything takes a lot of time. Again, this is Oversands. I paid about 71 bucks for them. I'll put a link in the description below. I don't have any affiliation. If you want to buy them, buy them. They're great. I like them a lot. It's what I use to do all of the videos that you watch that I do currently. But hey, if you got any value out of this, please click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Click that bell to be notified. Again, this wasn't meant to be a long video, but it was just kind of what I use for tire deflation. Thanks again for watching. Again, I am Robert with Sherman Outdoors. Everybody have a great day.